So dear students, in previous lectures you have studied about different formats of sequences of nucleotide and protein. In this lecture we will study that how these sequences you can convert from one format to another format. Biological sequence formats are written basically in Courier New font, which is read by the computer, and these formats can be interchanged by the base level through ASCII, which is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this format is utilized for the writing the various formats. In this, A to Z characters, which are in capital, are encoded by 65 to 90, while A small to Z small characters are encoded by 97 to 122. So these sequence formats are required arrangement of characters, symbols and keywords that specify the sequence, ID name, comments, etc. So that you have already seen in the case of different sequence formats like FASTA, GenBank, EMBL. So here we will study that how you can change the format. So there are different sequence formats like GenBank, Pearson FASTA, PIR CoData, DNSTrider, GCG, PlainRaw, Fitch, EMBL, FileLib 3.2, POP, Pretty, ASN.1, NVRF, all these formats are there, and you can interchange one format to other format. So how you can do, we'll see. For that you have to go to Google, we'll type secret. Secret is a sequence conversion tool. Click on emboss secret, and here you have option of putting amino acid or protein sequence, DNA sequence or RNA sequence in any supported format. So what we are going to do, we need the protein sequence. For that we can take our favorite sequence, Homo sapiens. I have taken this. I'll just download the FASTA file of it. This you can copy and paste it here. Submit. You can click on be notified by email so that it will email you the result. So there is a error, tool error details. We can click on this. Sequence format EMBL not supported for protein sequence. So we have to check the sequence, either change the format or the sequence format or the output format. So we'll go to different format or different output format. So I'll just select the other format which accepts the protein sequence. Now submit. So this sequence has come. You can download it. It is in the GCG format. Similarly, you can do it for protein nucleotide sequence. You can click on NCBI, nucleotide, type Homo sapiens, gelsoline, so you have different results. This one. So this has a gene sequence. I'll just click on FASTA and copy it. And then you can paste it here and click here on DNA and click on output format like EMBL entry and submit. So here you can select other formats also like SwissProt, FASTA format which is already in FASTA, NCBI, GenBank, all these formats are there, ClusterW. So then submit. So this time it has gone correct, EMBL format of your gene sequence. So you can download it and use it in the required software of your choice. So this is how you can convert the sequence of your format or a sequence in particular format to your different formats like GeneBank, GCG, NBRF, all these. So there are different other tools also like FMT, SEC, so here you can use this converter you can use. Sometimes there are few code which are coming for the sequences which you have to understand what they signify. For that, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry nomenclature has for amino acid nucleotide, you can write it as amino acids, and you can see that this is complete. These kind of alphabets are shown when you are doing some analysis of your sequence online with other sequences available. So these are telling you few possibilities, like R shows that there can be A or G, Y shows that there can be C or T, S G or C, W A or T, K G or T, M A or C, B C G or T, D, A, G or T. Likewise, there are different code words, and for amino acids this is well known: A for alanine, C for cysteine, D for aspartic acid, E for glutamic acid, F for phenylalanine. All these you are familiar with. So this is how you have to understand the code words. So there are different other formats also which you can practice, like downloading your sequence in another format, convert it into a different output format. Alright.